Alright, add your pre-cooked shredded chicken to a pan and start heating it up. Start a pot of water, salt it to cook your rice in it. Get everything heated up, keep stirring it around. Get your water to a rolling boil, then add your rice. Add some soy sauce. Add some soy sauce. About that much. Add your favorite barbecue sauce. We paid for the whole bottle, so we use whatever's left in it. And the next thing you're going to do is add some honey. Once it's in, give it all a real good stir. What do you think? Good stuff?